why we should always be doing internal inspections is I walked inside, measured off where they're telling me the roof leak was at, and was trying to figure out exactly, well, there used to be floor tiles in there on the concrete, so they're 12-inch squares. If I count the 12-inch squares, found out we are 24 feet across. Well, I know that this roof has a standing seam on it, and these are 2-foot panels, so I should be able to walk 12 panels from the end there all the way over here and be able to find where my problem's at. Well, 12 panels comes out exactly to where that joint that you see right there is, which someone has used previously EPDM seam tape on this roof. And so I walked up and I pushed down on that and water squirts out. But while I was up here, I got to walking and the building owner said, hey, see if you find anything else. Well, I don't know if you guys can see this, but if I come along here and I'm walking, that one's not that hard to find. And look what happens underneath it. We got mud, we've got rust. So we're gonna fix that one also. And if you see all this little flaking, this is where chemistry matters, guys. Chemistry class actually does matter. If you see here, look at the flopping. So we have a thin coating put on here, but even worse on top of that, I've done videos about this roof in the past, but even worse on top of that is, if you look straight down, guys who have been in the industry for a while will probably notice it, or at least should. If they don't, they'll understand it now. But if you see white, yellow, what someone did was they came in here before this company moved in and refreshed the roof to make sure. If you see we're having some adhesion issues, I wonder why. Oh wait, I know why. We have acrylic over silicone. So we have acrylic, goes from here to about right here, where it used to be. Now the acrylic's gone, and then from right here out is silicone. So we have yellowing from the silicone, the way that it ages and gets dirty. But yes, it will clean up if you see me scrub here. That's why doing inspections and doing maintenance programs on it, or like I like to call it, asset protection. See how much whiter that looks? An annual cleaning would make a world of difference for them on reflectivity when they do the whole roof. Obviously, they're not going to do it on repair. But take a look at adhesion. We have nothing. This old acrylic is useless. It's just on here to basically hold water underneath. So we're going to do a full inspection of this roof